This is your lunch. Now I put $1 in there for you to buy some milk. You can ask one of the big kids where to do that. Do you remember your phone number? I wrote it down so you remember. Put it in your pocket. I don't want you to forget it. Are you ready?
Well, this is Ben. Hi. This is Clark. Yeah.
Is that your natural hair color?
Yeah.
Totally beautiful. See, this is the color I want.
This is Darcy. He's almost too gay to function.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Your mom's chest hair.
Yeah, alright. Let's just stop for a second. So as probably a lot of you know, this is Manuke's last day today. Thanks guys. So we just want to say to her, I hope you had a really great time here together, because we love having you, and have a safe trip home.
Like people was shouting to after the Chinese students like last week. Thank you.
So this is what you need to know about the gap pie. Who you hang out with is you got your earrings. You're sporty people. The old freaks. Nerds. Essays. International students. Greatest people is people never meet. And the worst. Beware of the plastics.
Who are the plastics?
They're too royalty. If the Gap Pie was girlfriend amazing, they'd always be one. It's Matt Mabry, the dumbest person we will ever meet.
He sat next to Darcy in English last year.
He didn't even know who John Proctor was. No.
Then there's Taylor Gibbs. She's totally rich because her dad invented Instagram. She knows everyone and everything.
That's why her hair's so big. Full of secrets.
And then evil takes a human form in Maddie Ainsworth. They're two are just her followers.
She's the queen bee.
Maddie Ainsworth. How do I even begin to describe Maddie Ainsworth?
Maddie Ainsworth is flawless.
She has 2 Fendi purses and a silver Lexus.
I hear her hair's insured for $10,000.
Here she does car commercials in Japan.
Her favourite movie is Mean Girls.
One time she met Channing Tatum on a plane.
And he told her she was pretty.
One time she punched me in the face.
Last report. So last Friday we had, what was it, cabaret night, and that went pretty well. It was a great success. We raised a lot of money.
We just wanted to wish you all the best for your assignments and exams coming for the next 2 weeks. Thanks. Alright, and welcome to maths again. Yes, woo!
Oh, it's the 30th of August. Wow, she is the prettiest girl I ever met. Her beauty hit me like a spinning Segway. She's so
Ben.
cute.
What?
Nothing.
Right, class dismissed. Hey, so why have I never seen you before?
I just moved here from Africa.
Wait, if you're from Africa, why are you away?
God, no, you can't just go around asking people why they're white. So, I really like your shirt. Where did you get it from?
Oh, the uniform shop.
Can you just give us a minute?
Sure.
Oh my god, you look like such a bitch. But look at those thunder thighs.
Okay, so we decided that we want you to sit with us every day for the next week.
Okay.
Coolness.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
Alright then.
I know you like Nikita, but you can't. Nikita and Matt went out last year and she cheated on him with Beasley. She just...
But I'm not a woman.
Love ya.
Oh my gosh, you're sitting with them?
I guess.
You have to tell us everything they say, and we can laugh about it behind their back.
But isn't that bullying?
No, it'll be fun.
Bye.
How was your first day at school?
Welcome to Maths. Woo, yay, Maths. Okay. So, you're the African guy, right?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sue.
We're the athletics team.
Oh, cool.
I think you would be a great addition to the mathletes.
Okay.
Well, just in case, here's my card, so we can keep in touch.
Oh, cool.
You bet. Would like to get drafted. You know what?
Sure.
I can't teach you guys anything. Just class dismissed. Come on, Lisa. We're going to my place.
Okay. Oh my gosh, your house is so amazing.
I know, right?
Make sure you check out a mom's new dojo. That is hard as rocks.
Hey, Mrs. Ainsworth. This is Ben.
Now, I want to let you girls know that if you need anything, just ask. I'm not like a regular mum. I'm a cool mum. Right, Maddie?
Please stop talking.
Okay, I'll go get you girls some drinks. Love ya!
Oh my god, I hate my hairline. My paws are huge.
I have such man shoulders.
I get bad breath in the morning.
Ew!
Oh my god, do you remember this? Oh my god, that's our bird book. We take photos of people in our brain and Alright, welcome to Maths again.
So what can we do?
They have a burn book where they write mean things for people in it.
What? That's so mean. How do we get them back?
We need to crack Taylor Gibbs. We crack Taylor Gibbs, and we crack the lock on Maddie's whole dirty history.
Say crack again.
Crap. Alright, guys, if you're not going to pay attention, just leave. Class dismissed.
Hey, Africa, would buy some candy canes?
Sure, that'd be a great way to crack Matty Ainsworth. I'll take 3.
Come on, guys. Anyone coming now? No? Hey.
Ho ho ho! Candy cane rounds. 1 for you, Vasu. 1 for you, Nikita. 1 for you, Alex Lynch. Where are you? Where are you? You go, Alex Lynch. One for you, Matt Mabry. And none for Taylor Gibbs. See you later.
Come on, guys. If you're not even going to stay in class, why am I even here? Seriously, you just...
I'm so hungry.
I have a great idea.
What?
Let's go to McDonald's.
I can't go to McDonald's, Matt. I'm on an all-carb diet. Gosh, you're so stupid.
I wonder what I'm missing in goals.
Don't have sex because you will get pregnant and you will die.
I'm sorry for what I did to you, but you're kind of mean.
Maddie, you have been found guilty of bullying, and that is unacceptable.
I just wish we could all get along. Sorry. Just to in private school. I wish I could make a cake filled with whipped and smiles, and everyone would eat and be happy.
He doesn't even go here.
Just wanted to wish all year 12s good luck for QCS and to mention that this performance is dedicated to Ricky Shalish for his birthday today. Make some noise for the Campfire Talent Show.
Okay, thank you, students. Can I ask someone to open the curtain again, and we'll just say thank you for putting on such a great show for us today.